Welcome to Camper Van Conversion in bite-sized chunks. If you happen to have come across this page through some random link, you might want to click on the link in the top right hand corner to take you back to the introduction to tell you a little bit more about these videos and how you can get the best out of them.
Just a quick vid here about blinds. So what I did is I built into the aircraft lockers a cassette built into lockers which held the roller blinds. We just had these roller blinds we got from B&Q, I think. Just pull them down and they work fine. And we did that for the side windows and the back window. In terms of the main cab, the driver's cab, tried to be clever. It's cock-up confession time, and put a track around with curtains, and in some of the video clips you'll see those in place. So for example, when on the one on the sofa bed, for example, when I show you deploying that, you also see the curtains in stop motion come across. It was a heap of crap. I could not get those tracks to work well, kept on jamming, and in the end I thought, let's do what all the other motorhome people do and buy the tailor-made thermal insulation blinds. You might see them, they're big silver things that go right across, and they give you thermal insulation as well as a light blackout. I tried to avoid that because I was always thinking about storage, and actually what we do, they come in a bag, we keep them in the back, and then when we park up they just sit on the driver's seat. So yeah, it's not a terribly neat solution, but actually they're worth having. They cost about 45 quid for a set, but actually if you're going out and it's a bit chilly at night, not bad. Also in summer they keep the heat out your van as well. So let's have a look at my blinds. So first of all, that's a picture of the aircraft locker, and the blind is actually installed just inside a compartment in the bottom of that. You can see the blind poking out the bottom, and on the left there you can just about see the beaded cord hanging out. In fact, I've got it hooked around that spotlight there. So let's see it deploy. So they're blackout roller blinds from B&Q on the two side windows and the back window by the hob. Just tuck that behind the cushion there. Nice neat solution, and roll it back up when we're not needing it. So what about the front? Well, we've decided to say curtains to the curtains, as we showed in the credits at the beginning, and gone for those things, those thermal blinds that you see on a lot of motorhomes. They are very effective. They've got 9 layers in them, so they give a good thermal barrier, help keep your van warm in the winter, and actually keep them cool in the summer as well, which is also very important. They're not cheap. I think they're about £45 for their set, which is the big front one across the windscreen and the two the passenger side and the driver's side window. But yeah, it was curtains to curtains, and that was our solution for blinds.
Okay, blinds, nothing to be said about them. They're blinds.